Stop wearing foundation every day. You don't actually need it. Let me show you how I look put together in just 15 minutes.
If you hate foundation but still want to look put together, this is what I do. First thing first, you need a good skin prep. Make sure your face is clean, then go in with your moisturizer. When your skin looks good, you naturally need less makeup. I'm using an hydrating primer for this look because I want a glowy skin finish, and primer just smooths out everything so my concealer blends faster and lasts longer. Remember, always allow your product to dry up a bit. Let it get sticky before you go in with your product. Now I'm just going to go ahead and use my hair wax to lay down my brows, and I'm going to fill that in with light stroke. Remember, we are going for an everyday look. It is more of a no makeup look. I'm going to set it and just fill in the brows. Just follow the natural shape of your brows. All you want to do is enhance your brows. Follow the outline and just fill in the empty spots. Use a concealer one shade lighter than your skin tone to clean up the brows, just to define the underbrows. Now I'm just going to blend that out so it looks natural and melts into the skin. See how natural that looks. This is why it's good to blend properly. Take your time to blend. I'm going to be applying the concealer where I need brightness. I just want my under eye to be bright. The bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend out everything, and I am going to take my time to blend properly. When you blend well, it melts into your skin and it gives you a more polished look. So I'm just going to be adding my cream bronzer. These steps make such a big difference. It adds warmth into your face. I'll also go ahead to contour my nose to give it this snatched look. Now we just have to blend everything properly and blend together so there are no harsh lines. And I'm going to use my powder puff to blend the bridge of my nose. Now that we are done blending, we want to set everything in place to keep it locked in. Now the next step is to set our under eyes, and we're not baking, but we're just going to set it and put everything in place. So we're just going to set the under eyes and set everywhere I applied my concealer. Then I'm going to gently press powder all over my face to set all my cream products. If you know me, you know blush is non-negotiable for me. So I'm going in with my number 7 blush in the shade Taupe for that perfect pop. I'm going to be going back in with the setting powder to just blend out everything so there are no harsh lines. Now I'm using a natural color from my CPD Better Than Chocolate eyeshadow palette to just, enhance the face, the highlights. I'm not going to use any false lashes, so I'm going in with my mascara to pronounce my lashes. So I'm just doing my waterline, and then I'm going to go ahead to contour my nose. So now I'm just going to set my lips and use my lip liner. The purpose of setting the lips is just for the lip liner to pop out a bit more. And I'm just going to go in with my number 7 lip gloss. I got this lip gloss from number 7. Just using a little bit of highlighter because I want this glowy skin finish look. So now I'm going in with my setting spray. Remember, we want a glowy look that looks like skin. Just because I want a bright under eye, I'm going back in with my setting powder to, bring out the brightness. And this is the final look. It's simple, quick, and perfect for days when you don't have the time or energy but still want to look put together. And if you're a beginner, this is a really easy routine to start with. If this was helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.